I was searching for volunteering organizations to volunteer for, and it appeared to be really a pain in whatever. Finally I found the organization and actually was working with some of them. And during that time, I realized that the NGOs or organizations, they do have their own problems. So basically, we took a survey. We interviewed 30 people. Some of them were volunteers, some of them were NGOs, and both of them, they have some problems. About volunteers, there's no single database where you can actually find the list of the NGOs. You have to, go to different web pages and search them. It's pretty hard to find the interesting program for you, and you cannot compare them actually. So for the NGOs, there's no platform to manage and communicate with people who are engaged into the activity. There are too many sources how to communicate with people, like Facebook, Twitter, and some Microsoft things. So you kind of spending a lot of time to do that. You need more people. You're spending more money on that. And the most important thing is that it is really hard to find a committed quality volunteer, even one, right? There are a huge amount of NGOs in the world, and there are more than 100 million volunteers in the world, so these people need to connect really. So we came up with a solution of creating a user interface for, like, web interface for organizations to where actually they could create a profile of organization, make the events, manage the events, and they actually could have the statistic thing. How many people are they working with? What they're doing? What are these people interested in? And stuff like this. This is where we actually want to monetize the thing. And we also created an app prototype. Let's see how it works. So this is the starting page. You can log in. Yeah. So this is a profile of a volunteer. This guy John Doe with a rating on the right side based on the number of stars what the NGO gave him previous time. He was collaborating, and we also gamified it a little bit so everybody gets points for doing something good. So we also have the search engine here, so we can search events by the geography or any other things. Let's go with Europe. And here's the list of upcoming events. You can apply here, or you can click on it, so you can get some more information about it. Here's the amount of people which needed for this stuff. You can apply here as well. And there's, in the left side, there's an organization name with a rating as well. And you can go to their homepage to see what are they actually doing, and you can follow them. There are quite a few companies who are doing kind of same thing, but none of them are offering app to make people mobile. None of them has matching algorithm, and actually nobody rates how people were working beforehand. We're planning to design and develop the tool to make the product working, to make the good relationship with NGOs, and to make collaboration close. We're planning to start marketing and PR campaigns to make it popular. Now we need 100,000 euros for the team to hire technical guys, to spend some of this money on marketing and PR, and we have to pay for office as well. As a result, we're planning to onboard 100 NGOs and to serve 100,000 volunteers by the end of the first quarter of the 2016. And this is our team. Thank you very much.